Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix joystick drift on your Xbox One controller quickly and effectively. First, start by cleaning around the base of the joystick. Dust, dirt, or debris can cause drift, so use a soft cloth and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the area. Next, move the joystick in all directions repeatedly to loosen any particles stuck underneath. Compressed air can also help blow out hidden dirt. If cleaning doesn't work, try recalibrating the controller. On your Xbox, go to Settings, then Devices and Accessories, select your controller, and follow the calibration or test options. Finally, if drift persists, you may need to open the controller for sensor repair or consider a replacement if it's severe. These steps should restore accurate joystick movement and improve gameplay. Subscribe the channel for more videos.